Hello friends, welcome to all. Today's topic is casting. Casting is a manufacturing process in which liquid material is poured in a mold or a cavity like structure in which the liquid material or liquid metal gets solidified and we get a casting. So by the help of casting we can get a certain shape of a metal. First we have to melt it and then we have to fill it in a particular mold by using a certain patterns, and after solidified we will get a structure having a desired shape. This all over process is known as casting. Now what is mold? Mold is a cavity type structure in which we pour the liquid metal or any other material. Generally we used sand casting to make a mold. This mold can also be created by using a various types of patterns. The pattern, there are different types of patterns. Some are of metal, some are of wood, some are of other materials. There are wax patterns are also available, which is known as investment casting. The simple and the basic casting process is done by the help of sand casting. In this we use sand to create a mold. Sometimes there are various types of sand. The basic sand we used is green sand. It's a mixture of chemicals and sand. There is one more process, CO2 mold casting. It is similar to that of sand casting, but in this we applied a CO2 gas in the mold at a certain pressure so that the structure inside it, the cavity or the mold inside it, it gets some stronger. So it is by the help of it we can get more desired shape as per our requirement. In investment casting we use patterns made of wax. So to create a complex types of casting structures or to manufacture a complex types of casting structure, generally we used wax patterns. When molten metal poured in it or a molten material poured in it, the wax melt and evaporates and it replaces the cavity formed will replace by the material. So this is a one-time pattern. We can use such type of patterns only one time. There is various other types of patterns also made of wood, metal. So that is permanent mold casting. We can also use die for this, that is called die casting. So various types of castings are there. There is one more type of casting, that is plaster casting, in which we used a plaster, then we make it dry. After getting a desired shape we fill that cavity by a certain material. So this is called a plaster casting. So various types of castings are available in market. There is one more casting, that is centrifugal casting. By the help of it generally we manufacture water tanks of small or large size. In this there is a circular structure. Inside the circular structure we pour a certain amount of molten material, either of plastic or any other material. Then we started to move in a round. So due to the centrifugal force the molten material started to fix at the surface, and by this we get our required structure such as water tank. So this is also one of the type of casting in which molten metal is used or molten material is used, such as plastic or PVC, to create a desired shape of an object. So this is the casting. So there are various types of casting processes available. One is sand casting, another one is investment casting, plaster casting, die casting, centrifugal casting, permanent mold casting, CO2 mold casting, and precision casting. There are various types of other castings processes also. We are discussing few of them. We will discuss it detail in next sessions. That's for all today. Thanks.